We'll drive through that and we'll come out just below Gatlinburg, and then we'll come right back through Gatlinburg, downtown Gatlinburg here. It takes about an hour and 15 minutes.
Okay, Mr. Dan, you guys, I'll put his information down below. He handed me the keys to this slick crew cab and said to drive it on the cruise. I am, of course, terrified, but I'm bringing him along to endure it with me. So I'm gonna drive this like a UPS truck, real careful, real slow, wide turns. I'm gonna watch everybody around me. Those of you that think UPS drivers go too fast, it just sounds like we do because those trucks are junk. But I'm gonna be so careful on this 10 and 2 the entire time. So yeah, enjoy the ride, guys. the cruise comes to an end. That was awesome. It was supposed to be an hour and 15, but I think it was a little bit longer than that. But we went through Gatlinburg, which that's pretty awesome. It's like a little mountain town. Well, it's actually a really popular mountain town. But this was a great cruise, guys. It's the Grand Nationals F100 reunion cruise. I think they have this little sticker that you get to. If this was even my truck, I could put that on my window. But it's pretty cool. I definitely recommend it if you guys are looking at this to see if you want to head out to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna park this beast. See ya.